HF Cloud shoes are marketed as ultra-comfortable footwear that supposedly provide cloud-like cushioning and make walking feel effortless. But the real question is, what's actually special about them, or are they just another pair of heavily marketed comfort shoes? Now, to be fair, comfortable walking shoes can make a noticeable difference. Good cushioning, arch support, and proper fit can help reduce foot fatigue and improve overall comfort throughout the day. What it does well may feel comfortable for everyday wear. Many comfort-focused shoes use thick cushioning that can make walking feel softer, could reduce foot fatigue. Extra padding may help some users stay comfortable during long periods of standing or walking. Where the hype falls apart, they will not magically fix foot problems. This is the biggest issue. Shoes alone rarely solve chronic pain, posture issues, or underlying medical conditions. Cloud-like comfort is highly subjective. What feels incredibly comfortable to one person may feel average or even uncomfortable to another. The technology may not be unique. Many brands now offer thick foam cushioning and make very similar comfort claims. So, what's so special about HF Cloud shoes? Short answer: they may offer good cushioning and comfort, but there is little evidence that they provide dramatically different benefits from other quality comfort shoes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.